Hi, today we're going to be working on this Dell laptop. It's overheating, so I'm going to show you how to dismantle it and how to get to the motherboard so we can clean out the fan and maybe change the thermal compound. Okay, so this is a Dell Inspiron. It's an N5110. It's an i7. Okay, so you start by removing the battery and all the screws that you see on the bottom cover. Okay, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 tabs that you have to push back to release the keyboard. Okay, lift up this brown connector here that will release the ribbon cable for the keyboard. Okay, under this cover here, a couple more screws, and then we should be able to lift up the top cover. Okay, a few more cables to disconnect, power switch and the touchpad. Okay, so once you got all the screws out, okay, so you can just slide out the DVD drive as well. So using a guitar pick or something, you want to just separate the top cover from the bottom cover. Just get your run it along. Okay, so now we have the motherboard exposed. Okay, so here's your cooling fan here. Unfortunately, the CPU and everything's on the hard drive is on the bottom of the motherboard. So we're gonna have to remove the motherboard to get to those places. Some different size screws here. So maybe you'd like to keep these screws separate from the other ones from the cover. You need to unplug your screen, plug this bottom cable here, remove your blank for your memory card. Okay, looks like we're going to have to also remove the screen as well. Okay, disconnect your cables from your Wi-Fi card. You make sure you mark them. Okay, so here we have a white triangle and a black triangle. So the white triangle to the white wire, black triangle to the black wire. Okay, they just pull off. Okay, remove your screen. Now we have the motherboard in hand. Hard drive, and this is your CPU, your GPU. Okay, so that's how you get to your motherboard in this particular model, and looks like you'll have to take the motherboard out to get to the hard drive. So this video will come in handy for something like that. I'm going to clean up this cooling system, replace the thermal compound here, and then putting it back together is just the opposite way of taking it apart. Okay, so thanks for watching.